Hello, and welcome to this Checkmate 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by X Hawkins in 1876. You can see that black's got the king right in the centre of the board. It's being sort of looked at by the queen, but the queen's in danger of being taken by the black bishop. It's white to go, and you can get a checkmate in 2 moves. The queen takes the bishop, the knight can take one of the white rooks, and then you don't get a checkmate in 2 this way, but you can checkmate in 3. The queen moves to e7 and black pushes the b pawn. You can then move the rook over. They push the pawn again. You can then push the c pawn to checkmate in 3, but not 2. You move the rook to c7. Black can push the f pawn. You can then start moving in the queen, but that doesn't get you a checkmate in 2, just a checkmate in 3. And if you move the knight to b4 to try and trade off the bishop, you can't get any further and get a checkmate in 2 this way. The solution to this one is to actually play the queen to d7. If black tries to push the b pawn, white can push the c pawn to checkmate in 2. And if black pushes the f pawn, white can push the e pawn to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the g pawn, you can move the knight to f4 to checkmate the king in 2. And if black tries something like taking the pawn with the bishop, the knight can move to c3 to checkmate the king. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.